Hey guys, so let's talk about strings and lists in Python. Um, so as I mentioned earlier, strings are just a bunch of characters. So let's say a equals first, and then you can print it. Print a first here. You can join a strings like this. So print a plus b first, second. You can add a little space here. You can also add. You can use \n for new line, \t for tab. Um, you can also do something like this. So print these are strings, and then you like percentage s, and then another percentage, and then pass variables here, a and b. So this a goes here, and this b goes here. These are strings, first, second. Why I was here. First, second, right? Um, there are also the things that we can do with strings. You can also say, for example, print the first character of A here. Remember, this is called indexing. So first, second, third, and starts from 0. So print A0, F, right? Print the third one or the fourth one, S, or print the last one, uh, oh, sorry. Um, so there are lots of the things that you can do with strings. We'll cover them later, but let's move on to um, lists. So lists in Python are the same as arrays in other languages. So you can just define a list. Let's say, for example, fruits equals apple and range. Print fruits here. Or you just want to print the first one, apple. All right. Or you can print, um, let's add some more coconuts. Or you want to, for example, print first to second. Apple and orange, right? So this is not inclusive. So this will print the 0 index and 1, not including 2. All right. Okay, you can also print the last one, coconut. You can you can also have lists inside lists. So we call them nested lists. So for example, let's say chocolates. Kinder Lent. All right, and then we can say food equals we can put these two lists in here, right? And then if we print food, or you see, we have both of our lists. Here you can just say print the first element. If you want to print the second element of the first list, you should use nested indexing. So you say the first element of food, and then the second element of this guy here, which is orange, right? There are lots of the things that you can do with lists. For example, food that append. If you want to append something to the end of the list, so let's add another list here. Let's say A, B, C. We added this new list to the end of our list. You can insert food that insert, pass an index. You want to add it after our first element, so you will like 1 and then your new list. All right, here. Awesome. You can say food that remove. To remove an element, you can say food that sort. To sort our list, well, if you have numbers, it's gonna sort it for you. If you have characters, it's gonna sort it alphabetically. If you do food that reverse, it will sort it backward, right? You can say delete dot food, for example, and then pass what you want to delete. You can combine lists, so new list equals, for example, fruits plus chocolates, right? And then print new list. Apple, orange, coconut, kinder, and Lindt, right? You can get the length of the list by using this function called len. So print four, right? Just to make sure we have 4 elements in our list. You can say print, for example, let's create a new list of numbers, 1, 2, 3, and then let's say print max numbers, 3, right? Or you can say minimum, 1. There are some other functions that you can use. You can go ahead and check them, but these are the main and basic features to use with the strings and lists.